Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open the Bloomberg Terminal and log in with your Bloomberg username and password. Typical terminal subscription costs about $0.000 per user per year. Familiarize yourself with the specialized keyboard, yellow market sector keys, green command keys, and the red Go key used to execute functions. Press F1 for contextual help and use the Help chat to contact support. Arrange up to 4 windows in a tiled layout to monitor a quote, news feed, chart, and messaging panes simultaneously. To pull up a security, type the ticker symbol, add the asset type code such as US equity or corp, and press Go to open the asset function page. Use the yellow market keys for quick jumps between equities, fixed income, FX, and commodities. Green keys run commands like news and help. The search bar helps you find functions, people, or news. Type terms, filter by category, and press Go to open results. Use the command line history and page up /page DN to review prior screens. Place orders through EMSCs or the trade ticket. Select order type, size, and venue, and monitor fills and blotter updates in real time. Use the Bloomberg Excel add-in to pull real-time pricing, fundamentals, and run portfolio analytics with Bloomberg formulas. Enable the API for automated workflows and export via D-Link. Configure alerts for price levels, news, or economic releases, and receive pop-ups or email notifications during market hours. Maintain
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.